So our logic here, I mean, we're getting a sine here, okay?
Right.
We're going to have a 5 sine of 5t,
Right.
and that's going to be multiplied by the coefficient 5 of y prime, right? Our y prime is going to be 5 cosine 5, negative 5 sine 5t. So you're going to get a negative 25 sine 5t out of that for this particular function. But in general, if we've got a y prime function, it's going to give us a sine, and we're not going to end up with just a cosine.
Right.
Well, we need something else that has sines and cosines in its derivatives
Which is
in order to rid us of the sign that we get when we take this derivative, right?
Right.
So that's what I've said here. We better include a sine function in our trial solution to hopefully rid us of that troubling sign we get from the cosine function.
So we need to start with a sine then.
So, trial solution. Now I'm using the same notation for the trial solution here and here. And actually what we're going to end up doing when we do this is we're going to include both this and the function we're going to get here in one trial solution. We're not going to separate out the need to get a 2t squared and a negative cosine of 5t. Okay? So our trial solution is going to be this. Now I'm using A and B again because I'm done with the A and B I used over here. I've solved for that and I don't need those anymore because I've got my solution, right?
Right.
Okay? So if you plug this into the equation, what do you get and what are your conclusions?